Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Earlier this year, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett announced that the Tourism Workers Pension Scheme would be up and running by mid-2018. Now, with less than 3 months left in the year, that promise remains unfulfilled. The minister, determined to make a good of his promise, has set another deadline for the delivery of the Tourism Workers Pension Scheme, this time pledging to implement it by the end of the year.
And so I'm pleased to let you know that before this year is out, I guarantee you we will have in place the elements for a pension program for the workers of the tourism industry.
Before now, tourism was seen as a seasonal industry, which made it difficult to set up pension schemes for the workers. But Mr. Bartlett says government is now looking at labor market arrangements to change that.
The labor market arrangements in tourism, because we are now a fully fledged all year round industry, and we must protect the workers of our industry.
Consumer prices rose their fastest this year in September. Prices rose an average 1.1% last month. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica release showing inflation in September was pushed by higher costs for electricity and water. Food prices went up as well, mainly vegetables and starchy foods. In the last 12 months, inflation has been recorded at 3%. It is below the Bank of Jamaica's target of having price rising at about 5%. Access Financial Services has announced plans to acquire a Florida-based consumer finance company. The process is expected to be completed within 3 months. Access Financial says the transaction forms part of its thrust to expand, diversify, and increase shareholder value. We go on to currency trading. The Jamaican dollar continues to strengthen against the US dollar. The local currency appreciated by 38 cents today as the greenback weakened to a 2-month low, selling for $132.16. The Canadian dollar sold for $102.09. The pound is going for $174.43, while the euro closed the day at $152.91 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in November went up by 82 cents to settle at $72.16 a barrel. The JSE index lost 3,217 points today, while the junior market index lost 26 points. Among the winners today were 1834 Investments, Blue Power, CAC 2000, Express Catering, General Accident Insurance, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, and Mayberry Investments. On the losing side were Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Derrimont Trading, Epley, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Producers, and Kingston Wharves. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.